Hey everyone, welcome to another video from Risk, Rights, and Rounds. Since we just did a video on the shadow systems that I got, I wanted to take a minute and show you the one Glock that I own that I decided to build out, because everybody should have at least one Glock, but nobody should stick with it being custom. So let's take a look at what I did here. So first we'll show that it is clear and safe. So this is a Glock 34, and on this one I upgraded pretty much everything I could. So I dropped in the Timney trigger, I got Talon grips, the barrel came from Tribe Defense. It's a match grade non-threaded barrel. I got it in the tin gold color. And I also, for the slide, I wanted something that had these nice cuts in the slide. This came from Alpha Shooting Sports. It's their Marksman V4 pistol slide. And I also did Alpha Shooting Sports for the internals. So give me 1 second here and we'll show you what that looks like. So now that the slide is off, you can see all the internals here I changed out, even the back plate. Definitely needs a cleaning, but figured I'd show you what this looks like. Now that we got it back together, also I put on the Holosun, the 407C. So I've got a nice sight picture there. I basically modeled this fairly similarly as I could on a budget, trying to model it after the Terran Tactical build. So certainly nowhere near what you can get from someone like Terran Butler, but when you're on a budget, I think it looks really nice. Love to hear what you guys think in the comments.